This video tutorial I will explain how to download and install JDK 19 in Windows 11 operating system, and search with Java Oracle download, and here you got the Oracle website. Open this, and here you can see Java 19, and here you can see Java 17. Now we are going to install JDK 19, so click on Java 19, and here you can see the installers for Linux operating system, and here you can see the installers for Mac OS operating system, and here you can see the installers for Windows operating system. Click on this second link to download exe file, and here you can see exe file is downloaded. Click on this exe file to install JDK 19. Click on change. I am giving this path, and here you can see currently the Java folder is empty. Click on OK, and here you can see JDK 19 is successfully installed. It has bin folder, corner folder, include folder, jmods, legal, and lib folder. Click on bin folder, copy this path, and we have to add this path in the environment variable so that all Java commands will work. Click on this PC, right click, properties, click on advanced system settings, and click on environment variables. Here select the path, click on edit, click on new, paste the path, click on OK, OK, and OK. Open command prompt. I am checking Java version using this command, and JDK 19 is successfully installed. So we are seeing Java version 19 2022-09-20, and here you can see the Java C command is working, and Java command also working. So JDK 19 is successfully installed in Windows 11 operating system. Here you can see Hello World Java program. We will see how to run this program and produce the output. Copy this path. Java C hello world.java, and here you can see the dot class file is created. And to run the Java program, use Java hello world, and here we got the output. Now we will see how to set JDK 19 in Eclipse and run the hello world program. Click on Eclipse. Here you can see the hello world program. Click on preference, expand Java, click on installed JREs, and here default JRE is selected, which comes with Eclipse. But we have to use JDK 19, which is installed in our system. Click on add, select the directory JDK 19, click on finish, and here select JDK 19. Apply and close, and click on this run button, and here we got the output. To run this program, it has used JDK 19. Here you can see. You can get Java source code link for each video from the description section of the video. And here you can see the video, and to see the description, click on this more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links, and click on these links to get the Java source code.